Let me show you how intake pages work in ZipMessage. Your ZipMessage account comes with one intake page, which we think of as the primary intake page. That'll be viewable at your ZipMessage URL, which you can customize to be your name or your company name or brand. Let's take a look at mine. So this is my intake page, and I can share this link with anyone so that they can record and send me a message using their screen, their camera, their microphone, or just text. And when they do, that'll start a new asynchronous conversation between that person and me. And every time someone submits this form here, it will generate a new one-to-one conversation. Of course, we can loop in additional people after that. Again, your intake page is at your personalized ZipMessage URL, but you can also embed intake forms on your own website. Let's take a look at that. Here in the settings for my intake page, I can find the embed code, which is a simple iframe code that I can drop into any HTML website. For example, here's my personal blog, and I set up this test page on my site where I have embedded my ZipMessage intake page. And anyone can record and send me a message through here. And when I publish it, it'll be on my own domain. Now, if you design your site to remove any extra padding around here, which I've just done here, it truly looks like it's part of your own website and your own domain. Let's see what else we can do with intake pages. So I've created a few additional intake pages for very specific use cases. For example, a sales intake page, a customer support intake page, and one to accept job applications. Let's open up that one. And here I have set one of my message templates to be the welcome message shown on this intake page. So let's take a look at it. So on this intake page, applicants for the job that I'm advertising can watch my welcome video, and then they can create their response to that video, which again would create a new conversation between that person and me. You have additional options to define which team members should be automatically notified when new submissions come through your intake pages. And you can customize the links and the headline and the thumbnail image if you share it on social media. So that's intake pages in ZipMessage.